Hey guys, and today when I go on my March break vacation, I'll be doing lots of videos of what I've been doing. So I probably won't be doing any videos anymore. I don't know if I'm going to do videos anymore. I just want to do them, but I don't think I'm going to do them. And so I made lots of videos, a couple of them. So I had 2 subscribers since, what was it, January or February? So make sure to subscribe to me, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe again. So I'll show you my, stuff. Pumpkin. Where's he? Hey, buddy. Oh. So I'll show you my cat. I gotta be careful since he's a mad one. I don't know if he's mad, guys. All that I see is here. There it is. Billy. 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 What is out there? Oh my god, 3 squirrels. Jeez. Guys, if you can see these 3 squirrels, I'm serious. Do you see them? I think they're playing tag. One just disappeared. There he is. What the heck happened to what happened to the gray one? Where did the gray one go? Oh, wait, what? There he is. He's right up there. Ooh. Billy! Cat! Billy, look! Oh, he sees it. Ow! 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 Wow. It's a total scaredy cat. Guys, and I swear to God, that cat just ran away. I wanted to give him some food. You just get away, you stupid cat. Fraider, idiot. Hey guys, do you know the movie Zootopia? My dad created that, so just whatever he does. Is that an owl? Guys, that's an owl. Oh my god. Okay, is there any... Oh, why are they still up there? I don't get it. Is that ice or is that a dead squirrel? With a frozen head. Oh, there he is, guys. Look. There he goes. And guys, my other guinea pig passed away. So, I'm just so sad about him. And guys, as long as I keep doing videos, I got this phone just in case my iPad passes away because my phone's attached. And I know how to make robots. No, like paper robots, huge ones made out of cardboard. I've been working on this, buddy, for a long time. It's a new phone. I broke my other one, so Samsung got me a new one. People think I've been working on it, but I don't even know how to work. So, is this glare? Sorry guys, I just love to shine it. Make sure to subscribe.